Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, good little bear!
When this human child froze me with his telepathic control, it made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with a giant...
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
Horrible.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Big monster in the sky, save me!
And on my birthday, I thought you heard about me.
Trying to understand.
Guns, this way.
2313, Party gun unit in position. Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here.
This is the girl we're looking for. Affirmative on the negative, number one.
Hey, working nights! Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens!
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Done yet, boo?
Race you to the spare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now. It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Hey, good lucky.
I love you, kiddo.
Good night, boo.
Kitty.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to night matter 2. We can hear confirm no now the presence of a human child is active. We responded to a 2319 project reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area. We split up and locked it down. Careful with the observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the status to night matter 2. We can hear confirm no now the presence of a human child.
What are you looking at?